Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I'll show you how to make sloped roof by using roof by footprints. First I want to create the wall. I created one wall. I will go to the elevation, this one, okay? Then I need to go the level 2 to make the roof, okay? Then architectural tab, roof by footprints. Click here define slope and make one rectangle. If you want some projection, give some projection. Uh, I give 600. Okay. Now this roof have four side slope. See this symbol showing the slope. Now I'll click on the tick. It's created. I will go to 3D view. Yes, to it's already created, but the problem is its thickness is very higher. I will reduce it. Duplicate. I will give it 200. I will give. If you want some material, roof material, I will give the. We have some roof material. Let's go here. Create one. Create new material. Appearance library. You get from here roofing. Can choose anything. Okay. I will give apply. Okay. Now this one I create already. I will show you in the. See this one. If you want to edit the roof, if you don't want the four side slope, only the two side slope, you can adjust this one by using edit footprints. If you click the roof, you can click here edit footprints. Then here define slope. This one untick. I don't want here slope. Here also I don't want slope. Untick. Then save again. Now this is coming. This is like gable roof. You can attach this wall to the bottom of the unlocked bottom of the roof. Attach top base. Click here. Okay. This whole area. Saying like this. Attach top base. It's not attached top base. Okay. Now everything is fine. You can adjust this slope also. Click here. And go to the level 2 plan. Click here. Okay. Now you can check the slope 35 degree. If you want more, 45 like that, you can put here. Here and now I will make here also same 45. Now, so very, you see the slope, more slope now. You can use this one for the sloped roof. Okay, thank you for watching.